Lesson 74, add. Now I do it a little differently than the book, okay? They do it with parentheses, but whenever I see subtraction, I get rid of it. I make it addition, adding a negative. Subtracting a positive is the same as adding a negative. So I put a line through here and make it negative. Now I have all pluses. So now I add, I go from left to right. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. When you add a negative and a positive, it's always the sign of the larger one. 3 is bigger than negative 2, so it's going to be positive. And then you find the difference. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus negative 5. 5 is the larger one, so my answer will be negative. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then negative 4 plus 7. 7 is larger, so your answer will be positive. 7 minus 4 is 3. So when you have a negative and a positive, it's the sign of the larger one and then the difference between the two. So in the second example, I have all these subtraction signs and I make it plus a negative, plus a negative, plus a negative. And now a negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus negative 6 is negative 11. Negative 11 plus 2, we have a negative and a positive. The answer will be negative 9. And then negative 9 plus negative 7 is negative 16. The third example, once again, I get rid of the minus. I don't do the parentheses like Saxon, so I write as plus a negative 2, plus a negative 4. And then going left to right. Negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 3, the answer is negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. And negative 6 plus 5, I know my answer is negative, it's negative 1. Now I rewrote all the rest after I did the addition, but really this is how I do a problem. This is the first one for the practice. I see the minus, I make a plus, a negative. I see the minus, plus, a negative. And then I just go from left to right. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. 2 plus negative 1 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus negative 3 is 5. And 5 plus 2 is 7. That's really how you should be able to do the problems. You really don't have to do all that writing that we did before. Good luck.